Assalamualaikum and very good day to our lecturer and friends. Today our group will present our BTM510 database project, Pawfessional Veterinary Clinic Management System. My name is ALEEYA and I will explain the rationale behind our choice. We choose a veterinary clinic for two main reasons. The first one, high data complexity. Unlike basic retail, clinic deal with highly interconnected data, such as linking pet owner to multiple pets, breeds, and medical history. This perfectly challenges our ability to build proper table relationship and eliminate data duplication. Real-world necessity is the second one. Why we choose? Modern clinic rely on real-time data. They need instant access to medical history during emergency and automated billing to eliminate human error. This project allows us to design a digital system that solves this exact business bottleneck.
Before we begin, let me introduce our group members. I am RAFFIQ and I will be presenting the forms and conclusion. Next, we have DEANNA who will present the introduction, tables and relationship. And then we have YASMIN who will explain the identification of problems and queries. Finally, we have ALEEYA will present the recommendation to overcome the problems and report.
Thank you, RAFFIQ. Next, I will explain the introduction of our project, which is Pawfessional Veterinary Clinic. Pawfessional Veterinary Clinic is a veterinary clinic that provides professional medical and wellness for pets. The clinic offers services such as health checkups, vaccination, medical treatment, grooming, and pet consultation. These services help ensure the health and well-being of animals while providing pet owners with safe and reliable pet care. As the number of pets and customer increases, the clinic needs to manage a large amount of information, including pet records, customer details, treatment histories, and appointment schedules. Therefore, an effective system is important to ensure that all information is managed properly and efficiently. Currently, the clinic uses a manual system to record and store information. This has led to several challenges such as misplaced records, duplicated data, and difficulty in retrieving information when needed. This issue can slow down daily operation and affect the quality of service provided. To overcome this problem, we propose the development of a digital database system using Microsoft Access. This system will help organize data more efficiently, improve record accuracy, and provide faster access to important information. Overall, the proposed system is expected to improve the clinic's daily operation and enhance the quality of service for both pets and their owner.
Before developing our database system, we identified several problems faced by Pawfessional Veterinary Clinic. First, staff spend a lot of time searching for customers and pet records because everything is stored manually. Second, duplicate data may occur since there is no automatic validation. Third, paper records can be lost or damaged, which may affect a pet's treatment history. Besides that, updating customer information such as phone numbers and addresses has to be done manually, increasing the risk of outdated data. Report generation is also slow because staff need to collect information from different files. Lastly, customer, pet and treatment records are stored separately, making data management less efficient.
Looking at two critical problems such as misplaced file, data redundancy, and human error, our primary strategic recommendation is for Pawfessional Veterinary Clinic to completely replace its traditional paper-based record, keeping with this computerized relational database system. Shifting from a manual filing cabinet system into a digital Microsoft Access environment completely revolutionized daily operation. This solution allows the clinic staff to store, access, update, and manage vital organizational data in a highly time-saving and efficient manner. In a manual system, finding a single patient history requires searching through hundreds of physical cards, and if a card is misplaced, that data is lost forever. By implementing our database, this nightmare is eliminated because all data is stored safely in digital storage, protected from physical wear and tear. Furthermore, to ensure that this database remains stable and scalable as the clinic grows, we have enforced strict data integrity by creating proportional connection between our tables.
Next, I will explain the recommendation to overcome their problems through the use of tables in Microsoft Access. The database for Pawfessional Veterinary Clinic uses two main tables, which are the pet owner table and the pet treatment table. These tables help the clinic store information in a more organized and systematic way. This makes it easier to manage records, reduplicate data, and find information quickly when needed. As a result, the clinic can hold can avoid many the problems that caused by the manual system. First table is the pet owner table, which stores information about pet owners. It includes several important fields like the owner ID, the owner name, the phone number, address, gender, email, and the registration date. The second table is the pet treatment table. It includes the treatment ID, owner ID, pet name, animal type, the treatment data, the treatment date, and the treatment cost. By using this table, all information can be stored in one database instead of paper records. This helps prevent records from being lost, reduce duplicate information, and makes data easier to update. Staff can also find owner and treatment information much faster. Overall, the use of tables improves data organization, saves time, and help the clinic provide better service to pets and their owner.
This is query 1 called Cat Vaccination Records. It uses the select query with the AND operator. The query displays only pets that are cats and have received vaccination treatment. This helps the clinic find cat vaccination records quickly and accurately. Next is the query 2 called Cat Vaccination and Dog Surgery Records. It uses compound criteria with AND and OR operators. The query shows cats with vaccination records or dogs with surgery records. This makes it easy to filter specific treatment information. This is query 3 called High Cost Recent Treatment. It uses the AND operator to display treatments after 1 January 2026 with a cost of more than 100 ringgit. This helps the clinic monitor recent treatments with higher costs. This is query 4 called Owner Treatment Details. It combines the pet owner and pet treatment tables using owner ID. The query displays the owner's name together with the pet's treatment details, making the information easier to view in one place. Last one is the query 5 called Treatment Cost Analysis. It uses a calculated field to calculate 6% SST using the formula treatment cost times 0.06. This allows the clinic to calculate tax automatically, making the bill process faster and more accurate.
Now I will explain the forms that we developed for the Pawfessional Veterinary Clinic database system. The first form is the pet owner form. This form is used to enter and manage information about pet owners in the clinic. Instead of entering that data directly into tables, staff can use this form through a simple and user-friendly interface. This makes the data entry process faster and reduce the risk of errors. The form contains important information such as owner's identification number, name, phone number, address, gender, email address, and registration date. It also includes navigation and action button that allows staff to add new records, save information, update existing record, or delete record when necessary. By using this form, the clinic can maintain accurate customer information and improve efficiency when handling pets owner record. Next, we have the pet treatment form. This form is used to record treatment information for pets that visit the clinic. The form stores details such as the treatment ID, owner ID, pet name, animal type, treatment date, treatment type, and treatment cost. One important feature is that the owner ID links the treatment record to the correct pet owner. This relationship helps ensure that all treatment information is connected to the right customer. By using this form, clinic staff can quickly record new treatments, update existing treatment information, and search for treatment record whenever needed. This helps improve accuracy, reduce paperwork, and make it easier to track a pet's treatment history. Overall, the pet treatment form supports better record management and allow the clinic to provide more organized healthcare service for pets. Moving on the next slide, this is the owner information form. This form provides a clear view of all pet owner details stored in the database. It is designed to help staff quickly access customer information without searching through multiple tables. The form displays key information such as the owner name, contact number, address, email, gender, and registration detail. With this form, staff can easily review customer information, make the updates when necessary, and ensure that records remain complete and accurate. This not only improves the data consistency but also enhance customer service because staff can retrieve owner information quickly whenever it is needed. The user-friendly layout makes the system easier to use, even for the staff members who have limited explains with Microsoft Access.
Moving on to the system implementation, let's look at the structural foundation of our report system. To build a reliable and professional document, we must design a blueprint behind the scene. As shown on this slide, this is the design view article of our primary report named the CAT Vaccination Report. In Microsoft Access, the design view split the layout into several distinct sections, and we have carefully figured out each one of to align with business standards. First, at the top, the report header displays the main clinic identification metadata, followed by the page header, which contains the column title like page name, owner name, treatment type, and treatment cost. This header automatically repeats at the top of every printed page for clear indexing. Next, the core data loop happens inside the details section, where dynamically linked text box smoothly display every single row of clinic transaction. We tightly optimize the vertical height of this section to prevent excessive white space, ensuring the final output looks compact and professional. Finally, the page footer handles automatic page number, while the report footer displays ones at the very end to show our medical summary. A well-structured design view like this guarantees flawless user experiences when switching to the interactive view. Now let's examine the final and most critical component of our reporting module, which represents the analytical and financial layer of the system. And as shown in the screenshot of our treatment cost report, we have scrolled to the very end of the document to highlight the report footer area. In traditional setup, clinic manager listed how compliant physical receipt and manually summing up revenue, which is exhausting and highly prone to the human medical error. To solve the operational bottleneck, we embedded an automated calculation formula inside the report footer using the sum expression bound to achieve the treatment cost field. This means Microsoft Excel automatically aggregated every row of data from the data section and displayed the financial grand total instantaneously with 100% mathematical accuracy. This completely eliminates miscalculation, ensure a flawless financial audit trail, and secure data integrity. From a managerial standpoint, this automatic summary serves as powerful decision support tool. Clinic owner can immediately evaluate weekly or monthly revenue and plus performance trend easily without administrative delay, marking a massive lead in operational efficiency for Pawfessional Veterinary Clinic. Once the layout is finalized, the system allows the user to execute the report. As displayed in the screenshot, this is the live interface when our owner and treatment summary report is open in report view. This layout is specially engineered for an interactive on-screen digital experience, offering a continuous scrolling interface that allows the staff to easily scroll through hundreds of patient logs dynamically. If you look closely at the data, the system successfully complies and displays real-world operational record. It easily showcases the pet identification number, the owner names, the specific type of medical treatment administered such as vaccination surgery or check-up, as well as the consultation date and billing cost. This interface completely removes the hassle of searching through physical cabinets. The clinic manager can monitor daily transactions as they happen, track active patients, and review individual history instantly. It provides immediate operational visibility, ensuring that clinical staff can retrieve vital treatment information in seconds, which greatly enhance the overall customer services response time at Pawfessional Veterinary Clinic.
Moving on, I will explain the recommendation to overcome the problems through the use of relationship in Microsoft Access. The relationship diagram shows how the tables in the database are connected. In this system, the pet owner table and the pet treatment table are linked using the owner ID field. This connection helps the clinic store data in separate tables while keeping the information organized and connected. The relationship uses a one-to-many relationship. This means one pet owner can have many treatment records, but each treatment records belong to only one pet owner. For example, a pet owner may bring their pet to the clinic several times for vaccination, checkups, or treatments. All these records can be stored under the same owner. This relationship helps solve problems that occur in the manual system. It reduces duplicate data because owner information only needs to be entered once. It also helps staff find related information more quickly and accurately. In addition, it prevents records from becoming inconsistent, such as treatment records that do not have a valid owner. Overall, the relationship improves data accuracy, keeps record organized, and make it easier for the clinic to manage owner and treatment information. This helps the clinic provide faster and better service to pets and their owner.
In conclusion, the Microsoft Access database provides a more organized and efficient way to manage the daily operation of the veterinary clinic. It helps reduce common problems such as duplicate record, lost file, and slow data retrieve. The form presented today include pet owner form, pet treatment form, and owner information form, make data entry and record management much easier for clinic staff. Together with other database features such as table, queries, report, and relationship, the system help improve accuracy, efficiency, and overall productivity within the clinic.
That's all from us. Thank you.